Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know you need to engage your team members, but you don't know where to start. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around until the end of this video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can use immediately. Today's tip: teach managers to motivate and inspire. Leadership development needs to be an ongoing part of your professional educational offerings. No matter how long your managers have been with your organization, training needs to play a consistent role in their career plan. Training reinforces the good habits that leaders have and also teaches them new skills. So, how do you do it? Look for programs that help leaders manage their time more effectively. Learn to set realistic expectations about themselves and their team members, and encourage feedback from their managers, peers, and subordinates. Look at conducting in-house programs so that your managers can all have the same conversation. On the other hand, consider sending managers off-site so that they can get a fresh perspective and interact with people from different industries. If you like these types of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement simply by clicking on the link in the description below. See you at the site.